Hello! Development doesn't have to take months. I'll develop this mobile chatbot app from scratch right in front of you in 5 minutes. No fast forwards, I promise. Let's do it! After changing the app name, let's prepare the workspace by deleting the footer and placing a vertical container. It will enable full control over screen scrolling and layouting widgets. Chatting users will input their thoughts via Form widget. By default, it comes with text input field and submit button. Whatever users enter there will be sent to Watson's RESTful API. Let's look into Kinetise Help Center for some specification on how to connect to the API. 2 links are important here. First, leading to Watson Conversation Dashboard in IBM Cloud. You need to have an account there and log in with IBM ID. Copy workspace URL for Car Dashboard Sample Chatbot and paste it in Request Settings pop-up on Kinetise. Then set up basic authentication using your Watson credentials. Clicking Test actually invokes the API call. As a response, there is an error message about missing parameter. Let's search for it under second link in Help Center, Watson API specification. Entire API connection follows this specification. Version parameter has to be added to the API call, and it gets automatically joined to the URL. Clicking Test this time delivers complete response from Watson. Under Body tab, pass context variable. It will be defined in a moment. Scroll down to Request Body Transform Embedded API Adapter. This is where you enter a little code. Flexibly transforming structure of API calls body. A few lines of code needed here can be found in Kinetise Help Center. Next, scroll further down to get to Response Body Transform to add code defining how to parse server's response. This code can also be found in Kinetise Help Center. It will put server response into app database and create that context variable. API is connected, so let's continue. First, let's send a hello message to Watson. Next, let's add list widget, which will display entire chat thread. It needs to load data from application's local database and sort messages in time. The chat might be much longer than 3 messages, and it should occupy entire screen. The list is a very specific widget, as it operates on repeating set of structured data. Once first item of the list is edited, the changes are propagated to all subsequent items, be it source of data or layout properties. However, there is a way to differentiate functionality and looks of list items, logically depending on data in the item. We will use this feature right now by defining item templates. There will be 2 item templates, differentiated based on who entered the message, user or Watson Conversation Chatbot. Having 2 item templates separated, we can modify the looks item template by item template, making list widget look like a chat thread. A finishing touch. Let's invert the list. Chatbot app is done. We can try sending some messages to test it out. We have built this native application just once, but it will work and look good on every platform, device, and screen resolution. When ready, we can compile a build or generate native source code. Enjoy!